Here's the top 5 most expensive cat breeds. Top 5 Peterbald. $2,500 to $5,000, elegant, hairless, and affectionate. A rare Russian breed with a sleek appearance. Top 4 Persian. $5,000 to $10,000. Luxurious long coat and a calm, loving nature. Especially valuable in rare colorations. Top 3 Bengal. $3,000 to $25,000. Exotic leopard-like coat, active and playful. Price varies with markings and lineage. Top 2 Savannah. $10,000 to $50,000. Striking wild look with a domestic meets serval hybrid. Very intelligent and loyal. Top 1 Ashera. Up to $125,000. The ultimate luxury cat, extremely rare hybrid. Combining wild beauty and exclusivity.